Hi, this is Josh Kirby with MarineMax of Long Island. Today we're looking at a 2019 Boston Whaler 315 Conquest with the pilot house option. This boat comes with twin Mercury Verado 4-stroke 300s. Comes with the joystick control, which we'll see in a second. Makes it very easy to operate. This boat is also equipped with a generator, fishing station, grill. Notice the expandable sunshade from the top. Full glass enclosure. Got you a refrigerator out here. Two large Raymarine screens, integrated controls. There's a joystick option. Nice seating for your passenger. A large open space underneath in the bow. Comfortable seating around. Another little kitchen setup. Refrigerator, cooktop, microwave, TV. Sleeping area underneath the steps here. Full head, plenty of headroom. Come on down and visit us at MarineMax of Long Island to see this great boat in person.